Hi everybody, my name is Sabrina and today I'll show you how to create this Lotus Pendant using Autodesk Fusion 360. The inspiration for this project comes from nature, that is our most inspiring teacher. So let's get started with this new tutorial.
Here we are in the workspace of Autodesk Fusion 360. The first step we need to do is to import the image of the flower. To do it, we select Insert in our menu and choose Attach the Canvas. We select the top plane and import the image. To resize the image and make it the right size for a pendant, we need to select the image in Canvases in our left side menu. We select Calibrate, select the two corners of the image, and type the size we want in the dimension box. I'm making mine 15 mm by 25, which is about 2 inches by 1. Now we are ready to start creating the elements of our pendant. We will create each petal separately using the spline tool and join them. We create a new sketch on the top plane, and using the spline tool, we recreate the shape of the central part of the flower. The spline tool works with multiple points that help to build up a complex curve. Each point we are created can be edited and adjusted using the green handles. Dragging the handles, we can change the diameter of the curvature of the point, and rotating them, we can modify the orientation. So using this method, we fix our shape to match the picture on our canvas. The fewer points you can use, the better, because in this way, your shape will be more organic and easier to adjust. Once the shape is fixed, we add thickness by using the extrusion tool, setting the distance at 2 mm, which is a good size for this pendant to be printed but not too heavy or bulky. We repeat the operation we just did on the top plane to create the first petal shape, paying attention to join the new sketch with the already existing extruded. We fix the shape like we did before, moving the points and using the handles until we are satisfied of the result. And then we create a 1 mm offset of our spline using the offset tool. This will create a 1 mm thick wall of the shape you just created. By default, it is set outwards, but we can easily invert the direction, adding a minus before the number. We can go now to the Create section and extrude the part in between the two sketches using the same settings we use for the central part of the flower. Pay attention to set as Operation Join to be sure to obtain a single body. We repeat all the operations we did before to create the next petal, with the only difference that this time we don't close the spline, because we will do it afterwards once created the offset. Now that we have a closed shape, we can extrude the second petal with the same settings we used before, paying attention once again to set the operation join. Repeat all these operations until you create all the petals of the lotus. Once the lotus shape is all created, we only need to add on the top a small ring to insert the chain. To make it, we can use a very useful tool, the torus tool. We create the torus shape or ring shape on the side plane, and we create a 3 mm of diameter and 1 mm of section. This time we set the operation new body so we can move and put it in the correct position. Pay attention, make sure that the ring or torus intersects the main lotus shape. And here we are, our torus pendant is done. The final step consists in saving our project on Autodesk Fusion Cloud. Once saved, we can export the file in STL for 3D printing. To export the file in STL, we need to select the object. Click on the name we gave it. Once selected, right-click on your mouse or hold down Ctrl plus click on Mac to bring up your secondary menu and choose Save as STL.
Congratulations! Your Lotus Pendant is done. Now that you know how to use the spline tool, you can create whatever you want. Free your imagination. Go to KiraKira.com to check the other cool designs you can learn. Thanks for watching and see you at the next tutorial.